Today I'm going to show you how to access the employers that are coming to the Queens College Career Fair on Monday, March 17th from 12 to 2 p.m. on the fourth floor of the Student Union. First step is that you're going to access our website by going to www.qc.cuny.edu/career. When you're on our website, click on Current Student, navigate down to Join Handshake. Once you are logged into the Handshake system, you're going to navigate to the left-hand side and you will see career fairs at your school. This will then present the career fair on Monday, March 17th, which you will then click on, and you will now have access to the page. First thing you want to do is click on register. You can see mine is green because I actively registered, so now we are prepared to see you when you sign in. The next thing is click on all employers, and this is going to give you a list of all of the employers that are registered for our fair. So you can scroll down and see we're going to have up to 50 employers attending the fair. But what you're going to do is click on Achieve Beyond, and now on their homepage within Handshake, you can see what their mission is. So now you'll be more familiar with who they are. You can click on the jobs that they're coming to recruit for. And if you're curious, you can then click on the role that they're hiring for and read through what all of the academic and educational requirements are for this role. So click on this, be familiar with it so that when you are going to the career fair, you will be able to have more insight and knowledge on what the employer is looking for, and you don't have to use the time at the fair to have that conversation. You can now go approach Achieve Beyond and say, I researched your postings on Handshake. I'm very interested in the service coordinator position, and I just wanted to come and give you my resume in person, but I did apply on Handshake to this position as well. If we navigate back to that home page for the career fairs and click on all employers again, you also have the opportunity to follow the employer. So you can follow the fair, so now you're in the loop on what's going on. And if you're going to click on one of the employers, it also gives you the opportunity to follow this employer, and you can see that I am following them, so you will be up to date on anything that is going on. But overall, you want to be able to use the career fair as a space where you have done your homework and research in advance. So we're giving this to you with a great amount of time. Click it on, look it through, make sure you're well prepared with that 2-minute pitch. We do have workshops coming up, so you can also come to the Career Center workshops, which you can see as well on Handshake and on our website. And we're happy to help you prepare so that you can knock it out of the park and make a great first impression. Don't forget that you're going to dress corporate casual, professional, no gym attire, and just make a positive first impression and hopefully secure a part-time job, internship, or full-time role. Thank you and best of luck.